Now the next sentence, nous vendons dash appartement. Now the subject here is nous. So what are the possible possessive adjectives for nous? They are notre, and nos. So now moving on to our noun, it is appartement. It is in the singular form. So we say notre. Nous vendons notre appartement. Nous achetons une nouvelle maison près de dash bureau. Now the noun here is bureau. It is in the plural form. So this ending shows that it is in the plural form. So when it is in the plural form, we use no. So very simple when the subject is nous. The next sentence, we do not have a subject. So we'll read through the whole sentence. Dash mon, dash prénom, dash adresse et dash numéro téléphone. The telephone, s'il vous plaît. So s'il vous plaît, we are asking a person for their name, address and telephone number. So in this case, we use the second person plural, vous. So vous will be the subject. So when vous is the subject, what are the possible possessive adjectives? Votre, and vos. So now let us see if our nouns are singular or plural. So mon. There is a mistake here. It is nom, your name. So nom, it is singular. So we use votre. Votre nom, your name. Prénom, that is also in the singular form. So we again use votre prénom. Adresse, that is also in the singular form. So we use votre adresse. Et dash numéro de téléphone. So here it is in the plural form. So we use vos. Votre nom, votre prénom, votre adresse et vos numéros de téléphone s'il vous plaît. Moving on to the last sentence. Laure et Claire arrivent. So here we have two people, third person plural. Okay, it is in the third person plural. So when it is in the third person plural, we can use le and leur. So now we have to look at the nouns after the blank. Parent, it is in the plural form. So we write L-E-U-R-S, leur. So, Laure et Claire arrivent leurs parents. Viens avec elle. So now the blank is here. After that we have the noun ami. It is in the singular form, so we use leur. Elle, leur, ami, Zena arrive aussi. So to fill in the possessive adjective, we have to first look at the subject. So depending on what our subject is, we have a list of adjectives. Now we have to look at the noun that is after the blank. So depending on whether the noun is masculine or feminine, singular or plural, we fill in the corresponding possessive adjective.